Hi everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. Today you're going to learn top 5 phrases that you will use to talk to your friends that you haven't seen in a long time. Welcome back! My name is Inyoung. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. All the phrases that I'm teaching today are in casual speech. Number 1. 뭐 하고 지내? 뭐 하고 지내? 뭐 is what, 하, do, go, and. What, do, and 지내 is stay. How are you staying? Doing what? So what have you been doing? What have you been up to? So it could be interpreted in different ways. So that's what you can say to friends that you haven't seen. What have you been up to? 요즘 어떻게 지내? These days 어떻게? How? 지내. It's the same verb 지내다 to stay. How are you staying these days? Number 3. 많이 바빴어? 많이 바빴어? 많이. You say as if there is no H. 많이. 바빴어 is from 바쁘다 verb to be busy. So, have you been busy? Have you been busy? 많이 바빴어? Number 4. 하던 일은 계속해. 하던 일은 계속해. 하던 is from 하다 to do, but in an adjective form, done makes it used to do. 일, work. Work that you used to do. 계속, continuously, 해, do. It's coming from 하다 verb. Are you continuously doing the same work? Are you continuously doing the work they used to do? Number 5. 전화번호는 전이랑 같아? 전화번호. So H here is very soft and subtle. 전화번호. 전화번호는 subject particle, 전, before, 이랑 is used after a syllable that ends with a consonant. You will use 랑 if it was used with a vowel. 전이랑 is as before, 같아, to be same. Is your phone number same as before? So that I call you. So let's recap what we have learned. 뭐 하고 지내? What have you been up to? 요즘 어떻게 지내? These days, how are you doing? How are you staying? 많이 바빴어? Have you been busy? 하던 일은 계속해? Are you doing the same work? Are you doing the work that you used to do? 전화번호는 전이랑 같아? Is your phone number same as before? So, now you learn all the phrases. You can talk to your friends that you haven't seen. If you got value from this video today, please give thumbs up. And if you have questions, please feel free to comment down below. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.